We are teaching students here in the 21st century in a building that was largely constructed in the 1950s. This is especially apparent when you go to our science classrooms. Our science classrooms and our science laboratories at Shaker High School were literally built before man walked on the moon. They are not conducive to the kind of science that is being taught today. They're not actually aligned with the New York State science standards.
So this is a space that is what we would call a hybrid space, which means it has an area for doing more of a lecture format, and on the other side of the room it has an area for doing laboratory. You can see that we have 4 lab benches. This was designed to hold a maximum of 16 students. So what I mean by that is, at any given time, 16 students are supposed to be operational on the lab benches, or 16 students are supposed to be operational on the lecture side. It really is meant to be, it should be 30, not 16. 5 of our 22 rooms are set up just like this, same size, 16.
I feel as though there should be a bigger classroom, especially for lab. When you're working in lab and you're working in groups, if there's not enough space for your group or for the lab to actually carry out, it kind of hinders the effectiveness of the teaching mechanisms.
Classes are definitely very crowded. There's just not enough room for everything. To get more people to be filled into the space, you have to get further and further away from where the teacher will be instructing, and that means getting further and further away from where demos will be happening, from where the board is. Not only changing the layout of classes so that they're more able to cater for larger classes, but being able to make the space more open is going to be super important.
So the J-Wing addition is going to be, upstairs it's going to be 4 science classrooms, downstairs it's going to be 7 additional classrooms that will be, I guess I would say, regular classrooms. The reason that that's important is because as this construction project proceeds, the students will be displaced. So you have to start a construction project with this new wing so that you have a place to displace students as the renovations occur around the building. The second part of the science build would be the renovations around K-Wing, upper J-Wing on the side that isn't the addition, and M-Wing as well. So it all starts with the new project, the new phase, because you have to build to put the students someplace.
The district leadership team has worked hard to develop a scope of work for this project that mitigates the tax impact to the community. The total cost of the project is estimated to be approximately $94.1 million, but we are in a very favorable position to receive almost 78% building aid back on the cost of the project. New York State incentivizes school districts to improve their campuses through the provision of building aid, so the taxpayers will end up spending approximately $20.6 million after building aid is applied.
The capital project vote will be scheduled on the same day as our annual school budget vote. This year it's Tuesday, May 21st. The voting is at the district office, which is 91 Fiddler's Lane. We're open from 6 a.m. for all of you who like to come before work, and we're here till 9 p.m. at night. North Colony residents who are registered voters are able to request a ballot and vote by mail this year. If you would like to request a ballot, simply scan the QR code that's on the screen or go to our North Colony website to request your ballot at any time.